match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Of note in this match, the Red Alliance has opted to go for 3 shallow cages in their barge zone. Don't see a lot of robots choosing to have all of them be shallow. We'll see how that affects their endgame and their mobility about the field. Meanwhile, as time expires in auto, we've got 2 corals scored by the Blue Alliance, 1 by the Red Alliance. Drivers in control now. Blue Alliance leads 23-16. Mars's minions for the Blue Alliance, they've got some algae lifted up high. They're going to take it themselves over to the barge. They'll score 4 points in the net up top for Blue. They move right on back to their reef now with their second algae attempt. Mars's minions extremely efficient with removing that algae from the reef and scoring it in the net for the Blue Alliance. That's giving their partners tons of room on the reef to get more coral into scoring position. On their way back toward the coral station, they're going to fight off some defense coming from a Red Alliance member, Robotics, from South Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Meanwhile, over on the red side of the field, 2 red robots unimpeded by defense. Scoring now is Ironclad from Bradley up on level 4, while their partners, Bionic Bombers, focus on algae. Algae passes through the processor into the hands of the human player from Roaring Robotics. That's going to be a net gain of 2 points by the Red Alliance. Ironclad, extremely efficient, cycling back and forth between the coral station with their own human player, picking up that coral now, lifting it up to level 4. Red Alliance prioritizing the high-scoring high coral at the moment. Blue Alliance also prioritizing those 5-point coral up top. Mars's minions looking for the 4th algae being placed in the net for the Blue Alliance. 40 seconds remaining in the match. 2 very well-matched alliances, 70-68 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Now it's switched over to red. Looking once again on the blue side of the field, we've still got Rocket Robotics playing some defense. Martin Motion crosses from red to blue. They have coral in their manipulator. They're now approaching the barge zone. It looks like the first one there will be Martin Motion. They make contact with a deep cage. They're trying to get the barbs on the manipulator for the cage on their robot lifted appropriately. They pull that cage in toward the center of mass of their robot and hopefully get their wheels completely off the ground. We've got 2 robots parked for the Red Alliance and 62 deep cage for the Blue Alliance. 109-105. Blue Alliance takes the win and the barge ranking point right there at the end of the match. Both alliances also achieve the auto ranking point.